All right, guys. So sorry. This is my third time trying to record this, so hopefully it works. All right, so instead of doing a daily schedule from now on, I'm going to do a weekly schedule. On the left-hand side will be a message from me, and on the right-hand side will be your assignments. Please take note of this bit.ly that I have right here, bit.ly/Kennedy online. That is how you need to log into the hub. If you click on this bit.ly or type in that bit.ly, it'll take you to the BPS login page, and then you click on the hub. Voila, you are signed in and you will get credit for being at school that day, okay? They do suggest that you log in between the hours of 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. So that we can give you some attendance for the day. All right, so back to my PowerPoint. All right, so next one. This is my contact information. This is how you can find me. You can email me at any time. You can use Remind. You can call or video hang out with me. You can send me a message to Google Classroom. So whatever it is you need to do, please reach out to me. I am available for students in the morning from 9 until 11. I'm also available in the afternoon from 1 until 3. Okay? That doesn't mean if you email me later in the day, I won't answer. I'll probably answer in the morning, but it just depends on what's going on with my life. It's kind of crazy around here, but we're making it work. All right. So this week, again, really sorry, we got to start over, but it is what it is and I can't change it. So I left you a message here on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side is your assignments, okay? I'm asking you to do a brainstorm activity. I'm asking you to do a video chat, and I'm asking you to do a Flipgrid. I will grade the assignments daily as they are turned in, but all assignments are due on Sunday, March 4th by 5 p.m. at the latest, okay? All right, that's it. That's all I got for you. Let me know if you need anything. I look forward to our video chats and your Flipgrid, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.